Pike,
like
go. Put the hand down.
20-ish.
Yeah, get him money.
Okay,
Don't.
money. Don't try to hold my hand now,
What
money.
would you call?
Sing a song.
I'm trying to, but I can't do it under pressure.
Sing it.
Thank you.
Are you kidding?
Okay. Alright. Go back.
Sing the Dusty
I'm
song.
gonna write.
Sing it.
You guys ready to go?
Oh.
No, we
We
cool.
have
Cool.
time here.
Cool.
No.
Okay,
It's
read.
all of open
Sing.
house, basically.
Hey, I'll put it on.
Yeah, no, I like.
Are you going to downtown?
I am. I have to go to the communications department.
Yeah, here.
And I'm
It's
going
my
to
phone.
Well, thanks for
Maybe my
stopping by.
phone.
I feel that I was actually looking forward mostly to your guys' room, no lie. But I was like, okay, go do these freshman girls, and like, it just took forever. They have clouds in the freshman dorms, though, little clouds.
Dusty.
And then there was a Princess Bride party over there,
Oh.
so I just
Oh,
watched
so you
Princess
had to
Bride,
stop in.
I'm listening to both.
and I watched Princess Bride for a while. It was pretty exciting.
So you chose
Fart.
never. We played Go Fish and BS.
Ooh.
And we were gonna play Crazy 8, but
Dusty.
no one
You
showed
weren't here
up.
to teach us.
I'll teach you guys.
Dusty.
So I'll
Yeah,
see you guys
got
later.
it. Bye, James. Well, I just got your butt in the camera.
Hey, where you going?
Hey, wait, come here. Hey, Christopher. Christopher!
Chris, she'll turn the camera off already.
Chris!
Tanisha, she's turning the camera off.
We got some salsa. We got here. Salsa. Right?
We gotta do music video like this.
Anybody want no salsa?
Oh, I'm so
Not super well.
Okay, show it. I'm a dancer. I'm a salsa dancer.
Well, I'm no pro. I can't do it under pressure.
Are y'all going to teach him how to salsa?
Yeah, go.
Oh, here, let's go.
I don't know.
Yeah, teach him.
I learned last year.
Alright, let's look.
I know.
Come on, Pike. Pike, do it.
I can't do it under pressure.
Oh, Pike. Thank you. He's, just, you know.
Okay.
What's up, dude? My name's Chris.
Hey, we met you.
Jose, nice to meet you,
Do
Jose.
you remember we met you, Jose? Jose!
Jose,
Wait, do you have a key can? Oh, I do.
Wait, I have to go to my room and
you
get
are the
keys.
man, Jose.
Weird video. Hey,
Thank you.
hey, Pike, come here.
Thanks.
Hey,
Thanks.
hey, Pike.
Hi, girl.
Christopher. Hey, I just need you to say goodbye to the camera.
Peace, camera. This is Chris.
Oh, okay.
914.
Struggle.
Chris, that 914.